Hello everyone, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat and welcome to our YouTube channel. Once again, this is Rofi Lacson and for today's video mga kaibigan, pag-usapan po natin itong review ng XNES as a broker na nag-ooperate din dito sa Pilipinas. Of course, this video is for you. Kung ikaw ay isang trader, mapa-beginner man or a pro, malalaman mo ang mga necessary information about this trading broker, bakit these key features like the availability of 5 account types with $10 minimum deposit, and especially for the pro traders, bakit advantageous itong low and stable spreads. At isa sa napaka-importanting part ng isang broker ay ang servers na magpapacilitate ng mga trades, which is meron po itong 70 plus MetaTrader servers sa buong mundo. And at the same time, pwede nating ma-customize ang leverage, and the best part pa is no overnight charges on most assets or itong tinatawag na swaps. At kung bago ka pa lang naka-visit sa ating channel, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe. Lalong-lalo na if you are interested sa mga content na gaya po nito na maaring magbigay sa atin ng dagdag knowledge and empowerment, paano pa tayo mas lalong kumita online. So, let's proceed. So first of all, ano po ba itong XNES? XNES is a reputable online multi-asset broker established in 2008. Kaya in terms of length of operation, matagal na po itong broker na to. And officially registered and regulated by various financial authorities across the globe. XNES offers a wide range of assets, including po nito ang mga forex, crypto, metals, energies, and more para sa mga clients. XNES as an award-winning broker is known for low spreads, which is very critical po ito especially sa mga full-time traders. Dahil itong spreads ay ang charges or fees in every time na tayo ay magte-trade. And bukod pa dito, meron po itong low fees and optimal trading conditions with a variety of account types that will suit every trader's individual needs. Mapa-beginner man yan or professional. XNES has hundreds of thousands of active clients. As to the data from their website mga kaibigan, meron po itong more than 800,000 plus active clients. Meaning, ito yung mga nag-open ng account at talagang nagtitrade. And as of September 2023, meron po itong 4.5 trillion trading volumes monthly. Kaya numbers don't lie kung gaano ka-reputable at kalaki ang broker na to mga kaibigan. Now, in terms naman sa kanilang legalities, ito po yung iilan sa mga documents sa kanilang mga licenses. So first, from Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, XNES Limited, and meron po itong license number 178/12. Ang XNES ay regulated din po sa United Kingdom with their Financial Conduct Authority with a license number 730729. Regulated din po ito sa South Africa Financial Sector Conduct Authority with a license number 51024. And ganun din po sa bansang Seychelles, XNES Limited, the Seychelles Financial Services Authority with a license number SD025. Ngayon, ang pag-uusapan naman natin ay ang account types na ino-offer ng XNES as services to the clients. Una, itong standard account. Feature-rich, commission-free trading accounts that suit the needs of today's traders. So kung beginner ka sa forex trading or in any type of markets na gusto mong i-trade like crypto, etc., mas magandang piliin mo muna ang standard account. Ito yung sinasabi ng XNES as most popular account and great for all types of traders. Kung makikita natin dito, ang minimum deposit ay nakadepende sa payment system. Halimbawa dito sa Pilipinas, sa GCash ay nasa $20 yung minimum deposit. Ang spread po niya ay nagsisimula sa 0.2 pips, so napaka-affordable lang. Wala po itong commission. In terms of leverage settings, pwede po nating 1:1 unlimited. And this standard account ay pwede po tayo mag-trade sa forex, metals, cryptocurrencies, energies, stocks, and indices. So kung wala ka pang trading account with XNES, maglalagay po ako ng link sa description ng video natin ngayon, kaibigan, gaya po nito. So tignan mo lang sa description section like this one. Then you can simply click it at dito ka ira-route sa page wherein pwede ka nang mag-sign up. So tuloy-tuloy mo lang i-follow ang mga instruction at i-fully verify ang iyong account with your valid IDs and some proof of address. Okay? So next nitong XNES account types ay itong mga professional accounts. Ito yung mga accounts na magmi-meet ng mga needs of the most experienced traders. Highlights include low spread or spread-free accounts with execution that suits scalpers, day traders, and algo traders. Under nitong professional accounts ay ang Pro, Zero, and Raw Spread. So first, pag-usapan natin itong Pro, our instant execution account with zero commission and low spread. So minimum deposit nito mga kaibigan is $200. Ang spread ay nagsisimula from 0.1 pips. No commission. The leverage is 1:1 unlimited. Instruments na pwedeng i-trade is forex, metals, cryptocurrencies, energy, stocks, and indices. Itong zero account naman ay talagang zero spread on the top 30 instruments. Market executions, no recoats. Minimum deposit is $200. Spread from 0 pips. Commission from $0.05 each side per lot. So kumbaga ang total po nito is 0.1. The leverage is 1:1 unlimited. And trading instruments includes forex, metals, cryptocurrencies, energy, stocks, and indices. Lastly, about professional accounts is itong raw spread account. Lowest spreads with fixed commission per lot. Market execution. Minimum deposit is $200. Spread from 0 pips. Commission up to $3.50 each side per lot. Leverage settings is 1:1 unlimited. Instrument na pwede po nating i-trade dito is forex, metals, cryptocurrencies, energies, stocks, and indices. One thing in common nitong professional accounts mga kaibigan is ang minimum deposit ay $200. Kaya medyo hindi po ito bagay sa mga beginners. Now, if you are a trading professional na may mga strategy na subok na or gumagamit ka ng EA or itong tinatawag na algorithmic trading, so of course, XNES is the best para sa'yo. So last but not the least na matatawag pa rin natin na trading account type is itong demo trading account. The XNES risk-free demo trading account offers you the benefit of sharpening your trading skills and strategies as well as mastering XNES unique trading tools without a financial risk. Of course, hindi po natin pwedeng underestimate ang power ng pag-practice para mas lalo tayong gumaling in terms of our skills sa pagtitrade. And XNES gives us this opportunity with their demo trading account. Ayan, risk-free practice, skills development, platform orientation, and strategy testing. So yan po yung mga advantages about this demo trading account. So kung gusto mong gumawa ng demo account with this XNES broker, again, may link sa description ng video natin mga kaibigan, gaya po nito. And don't worry, it's 100% legit. Okay, tuloy-tuloy tayo mga kaibigan. At ngayon, ang pag-uusapan naman po natin is itong deposit and withdrawal. Ano ba yung mga mode of payments na available dito sa atin sa Pilipinas in terms of XNES? Paano tayo magdi-deposit at the same time pag-withdraw ng possible profit or income na ating mag-gain with this trading broker. So una po natin pag-usapan is the deposit. So ito po yung ginagamit ko ngayon, the GCash, very common. And as to my experience mga kaibigan, sobrang bilis ng processing time. And at the same time, available din po yung bank card, yung Bitcoin, meron din pong online bank transfer, and nandito rin po yung PayMaya. NetTeller, cash over the counter, wala po akong idea nito kung paano to i-process. Pero most probably, hindi na kailangan na mag-over the counter dahil ang daming option na pwede po nating gamitin. So, meron ding USDT. Meron ding USD coin na available with the ERC20 network. Alright. So, ganun lang po kasimple at kabilis yung proseso ng pag-deposit with XNES. May kanya-kanyang conditions ang mode of payment in terms of processing time. Guaranteed naman po lahat, parang walang fees talaga. The amount limit meron. So yung GCash I think is nasa $20 to $500. Now, etong bank card nasa $10 to 10,000 USD. Yung Bitcoin napakalaki, $10 up to 10 million USD. And pag meron ka ng trading account with XNES, of course makikita mo naman to lahat. Alright? So, let's proceed sa withdrawal mode of payments. In terms naman sa withdrawal mga kaibigan, halos lahat din po ng available for deposit ay ganun pa rin. Available po siya for withdrawal. Magka-differ na lang po sa processing time and the limit. Now, ginagamit ko pa rin po dito is GCash, which is 3 days to 5 days. Actually, mabilis naman po. Hindi ganong umabot pa ng 3 days or 5 days. Limit is minimum of $20 up to $500. Now, ang pinakamabilis is PayMaya or the Maya. Processing time, instant, up to 1 hour. Minimum is $40 up to $350. So, you're going to explore this payment options in terms of deposit and withdrawals. Nasa loob po siya available with your Exness personal account. Ngayon, in terms naman sa trading platform, available po sa Exness mga kaibigan ang MetaTrader 5, MetaTrader 4, at meron din po itong mobile app para sa ating pagtitrade sa mobile. And of course, meron din itong MetaTrader mobile apps. Available din po itong MetaTrader web terminal. And the best part pa po nito, itong Exness Terminal, which is an exclusive web trader platform of Exness na merong top tier features. And more importantly, available din po itong trading tools like analytical tools, economic calendar, trading calculator, currency converter, tick history, VPS hosting, trading central, web TV, which is very necessary para sa atin na traders in order for us to decide na mag-execute ng trade na mas may malaking possibility na magiging profitable. So before we are going to close this video, mga kaibigan, pag-usapan muna natin itong pros and cons in terms of Exness as a broker is concerned. So una, the pros, 5 account types. So maraming pagpipilian from the beginners side up to the professional traders. $10 minimum deposit, which is available lamang po for standard account. Low and stable spreads, meaning the fees habang nagte-trade tayo ay mababa at hindi nagbabago-bago. With 70 plus MetaTrader servers worldwide, kaya mabilis, walang, in a simple terms, gaming, walang lag. Nako-customize na leverage and no overnight charges on most assets, which is the swap. Ngayon, the cons naman, limited educational resources for beginners. Totoo po ito in terms of Exness. And somehow, this would easily be solved dahil marami naman pong available educational resources, lalong-lalo na sa YouTube, like to my channel, na free at madaling ma-access ng mga nagsisimula pa lang sa trading. Another cons, does not offer a welcome or deposit bonus. And somehow, this is very realistic in a way na dahil ang Exness is so popular and talagang mapagkatiwalaan and reliable as to their services and support is concerned. Kaya dahil dito, parang di na nila kailangan magbigay ng welcome and deposit bonus to its new traders. Platform and the track record itself is more than a bonus para sa seryosong magtitrade. Alright? So in conclusion, Exness' commitment to transparency, security, and user-friendly features makes it a top choice for traders seeking a reliable and innovative broker. So kung ikaw ay naghahanap ng mapagkatiwalaan at innovative na broker, so therefore this Exness platform is for you. Its strong regulation, comprehensive range of trading instruments, and user-centric approach position it as a valuable partner in the trading journey. So that's lang po muna for this video mga kaibigan, and I hope nakapagbigay tayo sa inyo ng karagdagang valuable information as to Exness broker at pwede po ba itong pagkatiwalaan dito sa Pilipinas, and with its legality and reliable track record as a broker, masasabi ko ay pwede po natin itong pag-invisan ng trust at pwede po tayo dito mag-trade sa Exness na walang kaba. Once again, this is Rofi Lacson. Thank you so much for watching and supporting our YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and good luck with your trading journey.